As more professionals and DIY mechanics seek tools that combine lightweight design with heavy-duty lifting strength, the demand for aluminum floor jacks continues to grow. Just like typists and gamers who value precision, comfort, and build quality, automotive users want reliable lifting performance, smooth operation, and long-lasting construction.
List number 1. JackBoss 3-ton low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack. The JackBoss 3-ton low-profile racing floor jack blends the strength of steel with the lightweight advantages of aluminum, delivering a durable and high-performing tool suitable for both home mechanics and automotive professionals. The hybrid construction ensures long-term reliability without making the jack excessively heavy, allowing easier maneuverability around your garage or workshop. Its 3-ton lifting capacity makes it ideal for trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles, while the low-profile saddle design allows easy access under lowered cars, an essential feature for racing enthusiasts and owners of sports vehicles. The dual-piston quick-lift pump significantly reduces the number of strokes needed to reach the vehicle's lift point, helping users work faster and more efficiently. Safety is built in with a secure overload protection valve that prevents overpumping and accidental misuse. The reinforced steel arm ensures stable lifting, and the wide front wheels offer excellent stability even on uneven flooring. The rubber saddle pad helps protect vehicle frames from scratches or dents during lifting.
List number 2. Yellow Jacket 1.5-ton hydraulic low-profile aluminum floor jack. The Yellow Jacket 1.5-ton aluminum floor jack is a compact yet high-performing lifting tool tailored for lighter vehicles and quick maintenance tasks. Its fully aluminum body ensures impressive portability, ideal for mobile mechanics, track days, or users with limited storage space. Despite its lightweight build, it delivers excellent structural strength and reliability. With a 1.5-ton lifting capacity, this jack is perfect for sedans, coupes, and smaller vehicles. The low-profile design provides easy access under low-clearance cars, making it especially useful for sports or tuner vehicles. The precision hydraulic system offers smooth lifting with minimal effort, and the dual-piston pump allows faster rise to the lifting point. The jack features a wide stance base that ensures stability during lifting, preventing wobbling or shifting. Safety is enhanced with an overload protection valve that prevents accidental overloading, making it safe for beginners and professionals alike. The handle is padded for comfort and improved grip, while the rubber saddle pad helps protect vehicle surfaces.
List number 3. Torin TAM 8151-016L hydraulic low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack. The Torin TAM 8151-016L racing floor jack is a blend of aluminum and steel engineered to provide an optimal balance of strength, weight, and durability. Torin is known for its high-quality automotive tools, and this model lives up to that reputation with its robust construction and smooth hydraulic performance. This jack offers a 1.5-ton lifting capacity, making it ideal for compact cars, sedans, and lightweight sports vehicles. The low-profile design allows easy access to cars with minimal ground clearance, while the dual-piston pump ensures rapid lifting with fewer strokes. Its hybrid construction also provides durability where needed, steel for reinforcement and aluminum for portability. The saddle is covered with a rubber pad to avoid scratching vehicle frames, and the jack's wide front wheels improve stability during lifting. The safety bypass system prevents overloading, ensuring that the user operates the jack within safe limits. One of the standout features is its lightweight frame, making it easy to transport between locations. Whether you're at home, at the track, or assisting someone roadside, the Torin TAM 8151-016L offers dependable performance and ease of use.
List number 4. Yellow Jacket 3-ton hydraulic low-profile aluminum floor jack. The Yellow Jacket 3-ton low-profile aluminum floor jack is a powerhouse built for heavy-duty lifting while maintaining a relatively lightweight design thanks to its premium aluminum construction. This jack is ideal for lifting trucks, SUVs, and larger performance vehicles, offering both strength and ease of mobility. With a 3-ton capacity, this jack delivers the lifting performance needed for professional mechanics and serious automotive enthusiasts. The low-profile design ensures compatibility with low-clearance cars, while the rapid dual-piston pump provides quicker lift times, reducing physical effort and speeding up workflow. Safety is a key focus in this model. It includes overload protection, a reinforced lifting arm, and a wide base for enhanced stability. The smooth hydraulic system ensures consistent lifting performance, and the padded handle and saddle help protect both the user and the vehicle during operation. Despite its strong lifting capability, the aluminum frame keeps the unit lighter than many steel counterparts, making it easier to maneuver around the garage. Its durable construction promises longevity even under frequent use.
List number 5. Yellow Jacket 3-ton full aluminum ultra lightweight floor jack. The Yellow Jacket 3-ton full aluminum ultra lightweight floor jack stands out for users who want maximum lifting capacity in a truly lightweight body. Made entirely from high-grade aluminum, this jack is significantly lighter than traditional steel models, making it perfect for portable use, roadside assistance, and professional environments where mobility matters. Despite its lightweight form, it offers a full 3-ton lifting capacity, making it suitable for large vehicles such as SUVs, trucks, and heavy sedans. The low-profile saddle allows access under lowered vehicles, while the dual-piston pump provides fast and efficient lifting to the maximum height with minimal effort. Its fully aluminum design means it resists corrosion, lasts longer, and remains easy to move, carry, and store. The jack includes important safety features such as overload protection and a sturdy reinforced arm for added stability. The rubber saddle pad also safeguards your vehicle's lifting points from wear or scratches.